So today I was just going over a little bit with reading. One of the topics that I discussed was the differences between Mr., Mrs., and Miss. So we just went over how each one is one, pronounced differently, and two, has a slightly different meaning. So there is a bit of confusion with pronouncing Mr. and Mrs. and getting those mixed up, but we established that Mr. is always used on, Mr. is used for males, and it looks like MR. Then we have Mrs., which is used for married women, and that's MRS. And finally, we have Miss, which can just be used in general to refer to women. And we also made I drew out a little diagram where you could see how Mr. and Mr. can both be used to refer to boys. And then we have Miss, another Miss, and Mrs. to refer to girls in general. So that was just one of the main things that we talked about. And another was just kind of when reading, making sure that you kind of slow down a little bit, so that way you don't accidentally mispronounce things, as well as how, although some words will have a CH in words like chef, the CH is actually not pronounced the same way. And so just to be careful how things aren't always as they seem. And we know that because, for example, we don't say stomach, we say stomach. So just making sure that we're always taking our time to read slowly and look over exactly what the word is in context so that we're pronouncing it correctly and understanding its meaning. All right, that's just a little bit of what I went over today.